Hello everyone, when your vehicle is heavily loaded or parked on a steep slope, relying only on the handbrake to keep it stationary can lead to safety issues like rolling. For this special situation, how should we properly park to ensure safety of our vehicle? Wheel chocks are an important safety tool to ensure the vehicle to keep stationary on a slope and prevent rolling. So we should take at least 2 wheel chocks with the vehicle. Now, I will take the Mighty MT model as an example to demonstrate the correct way to use the wheel chocks. Step 1. Parking space selection. When conditions allow, we should first choose parking areas that are hardened, flat, open, and safe. 2. Parking on a slope. We need to first shift into the N gear and engage the handbrake and turn off the vehicle. And finally, release the brake pedal and the clutch pedal. And before we getting out of the vehicle, double check that it is completely stationary. Step 3. Placing wheel chocks. When the cab is facing the top of the slope, firmly wedge the wheel chocks behind both rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling backward. When the cab is facing the bottom of the slope, firmly wedge the wheel chocks in front of both front wheels like this to prevent the vehicle from rolling forward. Step 4. Starting the vehicle. After parking, when you need to start the vehicle and move forward, be sure to remove the wheel chocks first. It is strictly forbidden to place or remove wheel chocks while the vehicle is moving. In raining, snowy, or icy conditions, increase the number of wheel chocks or switch to heavier restraint devices. We hope you enjoyed watching our video. Thank you.